Here are my top 4 investment tips for 2024. Now, I've personally nearly been investing for a period of up to 10 years, and I wish someone told me each of these earlier on in my investment journey. All right, number 1, you need to stay invested. What I mean by this is you need to block out all of the noise, all of the negative BS and media out there in the world. And if you think about what happened in 2023, there was a lot of reasons for the markets to not go up. You think about interest rates still rising, inflation hanging around, conflict in Europe, conflict in the Middle East. Plenty of reasons for the financial markets not to have a good year. And if you look at the returns for 2023, the share markets all had really strong returns all around the world. And if you're worried about your investments sitting on the sidelines, or maybe you sold out of your investment, you're waiting for things to get a bit better, and then you're going to be buying in, you would have missed out on all of those great returns. So my number 1 tip is you need to stay invested and ride the ups and the downs in the market. Number 2, you need to be investing regularly. I invest on a fortnightly basis regardless of what's happening in my life, and I also have a lot of my clients doing the same thing. And the reason being is no one's ever going to be able to pick the perfect time to start investing or when the market's going to hit their bottom. The way to get around this is you just invest regardless on a regular basis, no matter what's happening in your life. Number 3, I wish I learned this a lot earlier on, and that was avoid your own stock picking. Everyone usually starts out on their investment journey picking random stocks, having no idea what they are doing. I would strongly suggest you look into index funds, ETFs, and managed funds to begin with your investment journey to give you way more diversification as opposed to your own stock picking. And number 4, this is a really important one. Do not invest in anything you do not understand, and avoid scams promising unrealistic guaranteed rates of return. If you ever hear of anyone promising you returns of say 8, 9, 10% plus without any risk, run the other way, because it's likely that is going to be a scam. And most importantly, do not invest in anything you truly do not understand, because that's definitely a recipe for losing money. Now, if you follow these tips, you'll be set for a good 2024.